Hey guys, this video I'm gonna show you how to download YouTube music as MP3 files. So once you go to youtube.com and you're logged in to your account, just click on your profile avatar on top right, go to YouTube Studio, and then it's gonna open this page. And then on the left side, you wanna go to Audio Library. So once your audio library, you can actually click. I'm gonna mute this because I don't want to have copyright, but you can actually, as you can see, listen to any music right here that you want to hear. You can play, and then after that, if you like it, so there's hundreds of music right here. There's about 1260 music. You go to the next page, go to the next page. So this shows the duration, the artist name, the genre, the track title, and also when it has been added. And so if you click right here, you roll over with your mouse on the music that you like, just click download, and it's gonna download it to your computer. So you can open your file explorer, or you can go to your favorite, where you downloaded, and then open it. It's gonna be saved as MP3. So as you can see here, I opened the downloads folder, and this is the song that I just downloaded, and you can play it on your computer. So that's the song. So you can download other music as well, like hip hop, this one, and so it's right here. So that's a new subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.